This is a package that I've received. It's mysterious. I don't know what is inside it. Let's open and see what is it. Okay, let's see what is inside. Okay, these are shredded paper. Okay, paper. What is this? Oh, that's a tripod, metal. Beautiful tripod. Looks really interesting. Kind of sturdy. Okay, that's a tripod. And what is this? That looks interesting. Ooh, a telescope. Let me read what is written here. Bausch and Laumb zoom 60mm telescope. The Discoverer, Bausch and Laumb. That is a good quality, old style, and that is 60mm. And let me just open the dust cap. Okay, a quality dust cap is like this, a screw. So there is no danger by accident they fall or anything. So let's see. Look at the lens. Multi-coated. Let's see the other side of it. Oh, the dew shield is also there, and that is also screw on. So again, some good sign. Oh, the dew shield is sliding. You can slide it up and down, the dew shield, and it stays there. That looks impressive. This is like to look like the adverts I used to see when I was in the 1970s in magazines. Okay, interesting. A sturdy tripod which can take anything. It's quite heavy. And metal, full metal, nothing plastic except this here, which is a thin film just to give a padding. The rest of it is all metal. Ah, look at that. Really good photographic. This is the posh ones that they used to sell in the 1970s. Now, like the 2000, decade of 2000, that posh capitalists used to buy this kind of offices and other things. They used to buy the meat, ETX, for their offices, and so it was advertisement in those kind of places. This one was like that on those times, and that was the highest quality you could have, find for a spotting scope for desk display. And now we have it now here. Beautiful.